This video, the audio may be a little poppy. It's not your system, it's these Bluetooth headphones. I just want to show you how to fix the texture problem in the sky. I put the link on OneDrive for this one texture. Um, it's really easy to fix. Let me find the folder. Where did it just put it? Uh, Here it is. It's this one image here. Is what's missing. So just load up the level, assuming that you have not, shut up, assuming that you have not changed the user folder. Where you're going to put this one picture is going to be in mods, unpacked, Ukraine, levels, Ukraine, art, skies. You're just going to copy that one file into there. This one here. You're just going to just put it in this folder. And the other map that's missing is already in there. It's just not looking for it in the right place. So let me load the level and show you real quick how to assign it. This is just a lot faster than trying to resubmit 1.5 gigs for the moderator to have to re-upload it. I plan to update the level soon, and I'll have it in there fixed also. Where is it? I'd say a good thing to do is if you're making levels, only have one level, one folder, one level, and everything else be deleted. Let me get out of here where you don't hear anything. All right, just hit F11 to get into the editor and go to Window if you don't already see it, and click Scene Tree, and then at the top up here type in Cloud, and you'll see the 3 or 4 cloud layers. And when you click on it, and just in case you don't have this stuff opened, just make sure you go to Window and click on Inspector. That will show you everything pertaining to what's clicked on in the scene tree. So we'll just start with the first one, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to the folder that I said just a minute ago, the mods, unpack, Ukraine levels, Ukraine art skies, where you copied this file, and just click on it and say open, and then do this for the next one, and then do this for the next one, and then the final cloud layer, you're going to load skies normal _5. This one here. I don't really think normal maps even matter on the sky, but I still got it loaded anyway. Like if I turn it off, well, I guess it does matter some. But yeah, that's just all. So I would imagine this is what you probably see without this texture fix. And that's what it'll look like after. Sorry about that. Yeah, I had, it was looking for this in my other level folder. And since they're both on my hard drive, well, it worked on my system, you know. I thought I had looked at everything and double checked everything. And of course, you know, hitting the key to show me what's going on, like in the background, um, you know, everything was fine because that folder was there, you know. But you can also download the entire um, Ukraine Sky Fixed. If you want to do it that way, you can do it that way. That's where I already fixed all that. And all you'd have to do is go into the levels, uh, I'm sorry, the 23 folder in the user. It'd be user view, app data local BeamNG drive 23 mods. And this is assuming that you unpack the mod, of course. Uh, that you would just remove and replace with the contents of Ukraine Sky Fixed zip. You would just extract that into this folder, and that'll fix it also. Oh, and most importantly, click on Save Level to make the changes, and then you can hit F11 to get back into the level.